Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well. Today in this video I'm going to show you some beautiful crochet head bows and headband designs for babies. Like these are very comfortable and very soft and provide very comfort to your baby head as compared to other crochet bands like other hard materials. So if you are planning to do something good for your baby dress, I would definitely recommend you guys to crochet these beautiful bands, and you can even sell these out and this will give you a lot of good sales. So if you like the video, do subscribe the channel and share with your friends, and let me know your favorite crochet headboard designs and headband design from this video. And don't forget to press the bell icon button so you will get the update of about my upcoming videos. And as you can see that there are so many different colors and so many different patterns, like each pattern is different from one another. So yeah, thank you.